Why has the United Arab Emirates, which is already purchased the world's most modern American air defense system, THAAD and Patriot, suddenly because the eager to buy the India's BrahMos missiles? What escalated happened in the Middle East? That Arab nation watch is the not starting to the trust. India is the latest weapon more than America. Let's find out in today's video. Armed rising tension in the Middle East. Iran launched a massive missiles warhead. Around 563 ballistic missiles were found by Iran, and the number of drones we watch is the thousands. This attack is the directly impact Dubai, considered one of the safest cities in the world. Dubai, due to the fear of war, there was a especially decline in the tourist visit Dubai, considered billions of dollars in losses to its tourists and economically. That is what is the UAE release. That is the today's world. If you don't have a equipment and highly modern missiles for your own protections, you can only watch hour or distraction. In view of this, that the UAE now wants is the include that modern and the India's BrahMos missiles and India's Akash Tir system into its military to boost military power. Now the question arises, what is the especially about BrahMos? It is the world fastest supersonic missile which is the completely overrated. Enemy targets at a speed of Mach 2.8, which is the around 1500 km per hour. Its current range is 290 to 400 km and work is the underway on the extend it up to 800 km in the future. Along with it, there is the talk of Akash Tir. Not a Akash Tir is the not missile, but a completely automated and AI-powered command and control designer network. It instantly takes any special attack like drones, fighter jet or missiles and automatically selects and fire the most suitable missiles to neutralize it. The systems have already proved the matters in the series like that Indian Army Operation Sindoor. But the most important and interesting thing about the entire deal is that India cannot sell this missile is a third countries without Russia consent. This is the because of the Russia has a 41% contribution and India has 51% contribute. And building BrahMos, both countries have jointly developed it. India, while countries like Russia, France, and the US used to atop the charts, it's in arms sales. India is the now joining the largest of the nations selling supersonic missiles. What do you think? Will India, BrahMos, and the Akash Tir together in America dominate in the Middle East? Share your opinions in the comment box. And thank you so much.